When they said anything you can ever need, you can find at Costco, they weren't kidding. Including here in Merida, Yucatan, you can find everything that you can ever want at Costco, including a cenote. That's right. This is known as Cenote Ka Kutsal, which is Mayan for rebirth. And it is located right outside of the Costco in Merida, Yucatan. You can see the Costco sign back there. So story has it back in 2015. Company would bought, I don't know what the main company is that owns Costco, but they bought this whole area. It was an old fabric factory, and they were clearing a whole bunch of smaller buildings in the area when a part of the ground started to collapse, and it turns out there was a cenote underneath. Now that's not something new for here in the Yucatan. You know, there's cenotes all over the place. Legend has it that the meteor that originally killed the dinosaurs landed in the Yucatan area near Progreso. It's I believe it's called Chuchulub or Chuculub, something like that. I'll put the name. And all the craters, which are the cenotes, they're the craters believed to be from the asteroid that fell. You know, it was a giant asteroid. It broke up into little pieces, making giant craters like this. But look at it. It is beautiful. Unfortunately, it is blocked off. There's no access to swim in it, but it's an amazing thing to see. One of the many tourist attractions in Merida. And it's right in the middle of the city. Hopefully one day they will make it swimmable. That'd be fun. Imagine that. You come to Costco, get your swimming gear, get your snacks, your cheap hot dogs, your pizza, and then you come here, have a picnic, and swim in the cenote. Boy, was it a journey to get here. The local government, they changed a few bus routes yesterday, and Google Maps has not updated the routes yet, or I guess no one's informed them about it. But yeah, so I've hopped on two buses that have taken me to different areas than they were supposed to originally take me. In the end, I ended up walking half an hour because it was easier than to have to walk to the next bus stop. So that's pretty much it. I traveled about an hour on transit, walked about 30 minutes. I spent all that time just to show you all the Costco Cenote. Go across the street, they had a huge shopping mall. It's 33 degrees outside, so I figured let me go inside and cool off the AC a little bit. And look at this treasure I found inside the Galleria shopping mall. There's an ice skating rink. Look at that. That is so cool. You can rent ice skate somewhere and go ice skating. I might have to come back one day and try it. Definitely not today, I'm exhausted. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. Not really sure if there's anything else around here. I'll explore a little bit more. If not, I'll try to find the right way home. Hopefully I don't get lost again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Costco Cenote. And I'll see you on another adventure.